welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I'm so excited to be making this video today. It's been a long time since I've sat down and talked to you guys. I'm very sorry for my lack of consistency and my absence on my channel. You know, 2018 guys, 2018 was rough. Let me not even lie, like 2018 was rough and I just was not feeling anything. I was not feeling school, I was not feeling life, I was not feeling YouTube. I was just not feeling anything, honestly, and I was just going through it. There was a lot going on, a lot went down in 2018, but I don't want to dwell on that. I just want to come on here and officially welcome you guys to the new season of this channel. When you see this video, you will notice that a few changes have happened. Stallion Vlogs has been put to rest, guys. I've decided that in 2019 I want to grow my brand as Mumsie, and so I've decided that, you know what, I'm just going to rename this channel and rebrand this channel, and it's just going to be called ItsMumsie. Everything is going to kind of be the same. I will be adding a bit more of a bit more different stuff that I'm interested in. And I am considering merging my vlog channel and this channel. I'm not sure if I will follow through with that because I just feel like managing two channels is it's a lot of admin, and that I don't want to be managing two channels right now. At where I am right now, I just don't. I don't think I can continue with two separate channels. In case you didn't know, I do have a vlogging channel. It's called ItsMumsie Vlogs, hence ItsMumsie. So yeah, I don't know. If that happens, then you'll see vlogs on this channel. But if not, then it will just remain, you know, just motivational talk, faith videos. I'm going through a journey right now of just rewriting my story, and that is one of the reasons why I want to rebrand this channel. 2019, I'm really gonna try so hard to be more consistent. It's one thing that it's one goal that I've set for myself, that I really want to be consistent. Like I said, I wasn't feeling too good. I wasn't feeling like myself in 2018, and that's why I just didn't feel like I could come onto this in front of this camera and sit in front of this camera and try and inspire someone when I just didn't feel inspired myself. And I really do feel like this is something that God wants me to do. I have a story to tell, and I believe that my story can help someone out there. I love to help people. I love to be there for people. And you know, there are always going to be bad days. There are always going to be bad days. Imagine if I can't let my bad days affect the mission and the goal that I'm trying to achieve, and that is to be there for somebody. There's somebody out there who's depending on my video and who watches this channel and feels go to this channel gives them the hope that they need. And imagine me giving up on that and giving up on this channel simply because I'm just not feeling it, or I'm just not, you know, I'm just having a day. It's okay to decide, you know, to just take a break and take a step back, but at the end of the day, I've made a commitment with this channel. It's something that I want to do. It's something that I started because I really wanted to do it, and I really do want to take my YouTube channel seriously. I do want to put my work out there. I am an aspiring actress. I'm a practicing and in training actress. I'm still studying in my final semester, by the way. Hey, it's lit. I'm in my final semester. I'm a theater student, and I love to act. So of course I'm going to use this platform as well to share that side of me. So do expect that. I sing every now and then. So I may or may not decide to put a few covers on this channel. Basically, I'm just gonna share me with you guys, a lot more of myself with you guys. I'm gonna share the things that I like, my yeah, I'm just gonna share Mumsie with you guys. So I hope you guys are excited for 2019. And honestly, guys, I feel like 2019 just needs to be a hella good year. This for me is a year for me to just break out of my shell. It is a year for me to advance into greater things. It is a year for me to try out new things. It is a year for me to explore who Mumsie is. It is a year for me to actually seriously and actively like practice self-love. And it's a year for just, finding true love, finding true friends, finding true happiness, just living my truth. And I'm so excited. I'm just, honestly, I don't want to be the same person that I was in 2018. I was depressed, and I'm not saying that I'm not using that word loosely. Yes, I was depressed, and I was in a very, very low place in my life, but I don't want to be that person anymore. I've decided that 2019, honestly, I'm making my mental health a priority, which you should too. You should be making your mental health a priority. Make yourself a priority. I know we're supposed to put people before ourselves, but there's only so much you can do for people if you yourself are empty. So you need to keep replenishing this body, body, mind, soul, everything, every part of you. Keep doing what you need to do to make sure that you are still sharp, and yeah, just live life. I just want to live life. I feel like in 2019 a lot of people are going to be quite surprised to see the Mumsie that they're going to see, because they're going to think that it's a different Mumsie, but it's a Mumsie that has always been there but was just too afraid to come out. So I'm excited, guys. This is a new season. God is so good. God has been so faithful. I am excited. I'll be 24 in like 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks? I think so. Yeah, I'll be 24 in like 2 weeks, and I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited to be entering into a new year. So I'm excited about what God is going to do in my life. I'm excited to know what God's going to do in your life. And you know what? Just I pray for blessings and blessings and blessings upon blessings for you guys. I just pray that God will just do something amazing in your lives, that you guys will just grow closer to Him, and that you will just be spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically alright this year. 2019 better be your year, but only you can make it your year. So with that said, I've been talking for like almost 10 minutes. This video, I didn't want it to be so long, but I miss talking to you guys. I'm excited, and yeah, please do subscribe to this channel. Continue to support me, guys. I really do appreciate the support. I appreciate all of you, honestly. And I'm excited to grow with you guys and to grow this channel and to just grow my brand. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you guys will just have an amazing 2019. Here is to 2019. Alright, guys, yeah, I love you guys. Subscribe, like, comment below. Actually, yeah, I'm actually interested to know. Comment below and let me know one thing that you are gonna actively be working on this year. It doesn't have to be like a project or anything, but if you want to share like a project, do let me know. Let's get excited together. Or if it's just something that you just want to work on within yourself, like just let's share. For me, consistency, self-love, and true love, and true happiness, and of course a better relationship with God, because He's the center of it all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.